We are working with a 20% caustic soda solution and a 96% sulfuric acid. The pH 14 caustic soda is poured into a small sprayer. The sprayer will be pumped up to simulate a small leak. The caustic soda, a strong base, is poured into a pool on the floor, simulating a spill. The pH 0 sulfuric acid is poured into a small sprayer. The sprayer is pumped up to simulate a small leak. The sulfuric acid, a strong acid, is poured into a pool on the floor, simulating a spill. The sprayers are turned on and the corrosive liquids are sprayed onto the wall. The ability to spray the encapsulator product allows the spill or leak to be more safely worked from a distance. The encapsulator product is so unique and effective that it can be used on both the sulfuric acid and on the caustic soda. These FLIR infrared camera pictures show the thermal changes during the process. Let me explain the thermal images. In the upper left-hand corner where it reads spot 111 degrees Fahrenheit, this refers to the thermal spot on the picture, which is the plus sign with the circle in the middle of it. The temperature of the spot is indicated numerically in degrees Fahrenheit. The colorful scale on the right side of the thermal picture shows the highest and lowest temperatures in the picture according to color. The dark colors being lower temperatures and the bright colors being the higher temperatures. In this thermal picture, 91.9 is the lowest temperature and 190 is the highest. You can tell where those temperatures are based on the colors. The highest temperatures are on the floor where the acid spill is the deepest and on the wall where the acid is spraying. Notice the dark spot on the wall near the thermal spot where the acid is spraying. This dark spot is 111 degrees or less. This is where the encapsulator product is the thickest on the wall. This demonstration shows that the encapsulator product can effectively be sprayed on 96% sulfuric acid and on 20% caustic soda. The thermal images of the caustic soda show less exothermic action. The spot temperature is 93.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and the temperature range goes from a low of 90.8 to a high of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. The black plastic around the leak and the spill shows a temperature around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The ambient room temperature at the time of filming was 100 degrees Fahrenheit. When the encapsulator product contacts the caustic soda, there is an initial endothermic reaction. It gets cooler. Rubbing the encapsulated sulfuric acid off the vertical surface shows the acid has become rubberized and is dry underneath. Rubbing the encapsulated caustic soda off the vertical surface shows that the caustic soda has become rubberized and is dry underneath. When the encapsulated caustic soda is rubbed off, the higher temperature of the black plastic can be seen. Hand wiping the floor shows that the unused encapsulator may be easily swept up to be used again. The encapsulated sulfuric acid now can be safely handled, shoveled, or swept up. Check the temperatures depicted by the FLIR camera. The highest temperature is now 174 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest temperature is 94.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the spot temperature is 129 degrees Fahrenheit. If you went by color only and did not look at the temperature scale, you would think the temperatures would be much higher. Moving to the caustic soda side, the infrared camera shows the encapsulated caustic soda wall temperature to be much cooler than the surrounding areas, and the place on the wall where the encapsulated caustic soda has been wiped off is warmer than the surrounding area. The spot temperature is 94.8 degrees Fahrenheit and the room temperature is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The encapsulated caustic soda can be shoveled, brushed, or swept up, and the unused encapsulator product may be reused. Do not try this. The encapsulated 96% sulfuric acid can be removed from the wall by wiping it with an ungloved hand. Do not try this. The encapsulated 20% caustic soda can be removed from the wall by wiping it with an ungloved hand. Major point. The encapsulator product does not neutralize. The encapsulator product encapsulates the leak or spill so it can be handled safely.